Is psychosis real? For me, for my experience, yes. And I just had a moment of like a quick snap moment of having the psychosis, where here's that with mine is, when I've seen the holographic, in my mind, and then my reality, I cannot already put meaning to it. Like, I cannot determine which one is true, which one is reality. Is it reality in my vision, in my mind, or the one my eyes is seeing? So I cannot already distinguish the two, because I feel like I feel like I'm into one already, and I don't know what's wrong. And I believe that when I dissect it, it was the ego panicking. So the ego is trying to interpret what is going on, and so my body is panicking. So I have heart palpitation, and then, like, I don't know what to do. So when at the moment, I was quick enough to tell, like, this is not right, this I think I'm going to have psychosis, when I felt that the holographic, and then my eye vision is already like not knowing which one is reality, or which one is really the truth, when I know there's nothing, there's no, actually it's just nothing, right? To come to think of it, but I will not focus on that. But what you see as a human being, as a physical, right? And then the vision in my head, the holograms. So I cannot determine which one is really me, or where I am standing. I don't know where I am. Okay. I get lost. Like, I'm in between, like, where is, which one is me, or, yeah. When I felt that, I call in. I call in Yeshua. I call in Source. That was it. Like, I said to myself, please help me. I cannot determine which one is me. I don't know. I don't know what I was lost in the path. It's like, oh my God, I don't know. But I was so strong enough to tell, or I have that sense in, I still have it in my mind that, hey, you're going there. You're going psychosis now. So I call in right away, to Yeshua and Source. I surrender, like, please help me. I think I'm gonna lose my mind. So, and it was a quick moment, and I was crying so hard because I don't know what to do. And then I just have, my intuition was telling me, look up to the sun, stare at the sun. So I did. And I never really stared at the sun. That was my first time staring at the sun. So I stare at the sun, and then I close my eyes. And from the moment I closed my eyes, and it was also my first time to see colors in my eyes. So it appeared to be first blue in the center, total darkness, and there's a blue dot in the center, and it become like bigger, 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 and it changed color to green, and then the green turned into a human figure, and then telepathically, or like, I can sense inner knowing, oh, that was Yeshua, okay, telling me, oh, this is Yeshua, okay, so he's light, guys, he's light. So not even a he, okay, it's just light. So he formed into a human figure, okay, and the color, I don't remember the color. If I wrote it somewhere, I don't remember if I wrote it, but because I was in the verge of, right, in this psychosis, right, but I was so focused in my third eye, really, that when that image appeared, and then he verged into like a human figure, right? And I said, oh, that's Joshua, that's Joshua. And then in the back, there is a big, huge golden light behind him. Not him, right? Or behind, I would say, Yeshua. There's big, huge, 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 big light, yellow. And telepathically, I sensed that it was source. Okay, I can just sense it was source. They were there for me. Okay, and then the message Yeshua told telepathically um, was telling me is to remember your light. And then when he said to remember the light, back I snap out back to this body. Like I get like magnetized to the body. Not I'm not floating anymore to this. So what I've realized is because I internalize this and dissect it with AI with other people's how you call it experience. So I am already floating in the ether, or like I'm in the void, okay, of between the 3D dimension and then the mental plane or the astral, right? So I'm in here and I can see the 3D dimension, okay, and then I also believe that I am in the body. So because I don't know anything about, or didn't really know about so much about spirituality, so I still got confused, on the what is going on. So I didn't know. It was like, it was very vague for me what's going on. But actually, I'm in the void, in between the hologram and then the spirit world. Okay, okay, the spirit world. So yeah, so that was the. So went back to the hologram, okay, the body now, like, pretending to be in the hologram, right? Because you're in the hologram. So yeah, so it's not good, guys, to be in between, okay? So so that's why they said in you cannot be in two places at the same time, right? um well, I don't know, but there's also a version of you doing something else in another dimension. So I don't know. But for me, that was the case of how my psychosis came, or like when I experienced psychosis. It's not funny, guys. It's not fun. I was crying so hard. Because that moment I didn't really know. It's like, oh my God, my ego was saying I might be, after this I might in a mental hospital, because I cannot determine already what's the 3D, what's this earth is. I cannot determine anymore. That was right. That was it. And that was the only moment, because every time I feel into, when you are being initiated, you will feel this again, like, not that you are in between, because I already know the feeling, or where I'm at and what dimension this is. So I already orient myself. That's why I'm not already lost. But if I feel I get initiated to something and then I went through these steps and I'll get frustrated or depressed, I would always remember what Yeshua was telling me, to remember your light, remember your light, remember your light. And then also the time when he appeared in my dreams about the hologram, right? So yeah. So the key word for me when I feel frustrated or I'm lost in some way with my emotions, you can, because you can still feel it here. It's not that you become emotionless here. You will still feel something, right? So every time that feeling would appear, I would always remember what Yeshua was telling me, the phrase, remember your light. And that was it. Yeah. So this is my story about how psychosis is, and psychosis is real. It's nothing to joke about it. It's real. And when you know people that are going through that, have the grace, help them. For me, because since I know it, when I see people, it's like I feel like, oh, they're going there, I'll put a seed in their feed, I'll put some energy in their comment section, Now I'm hoping that they could read the comment, and then the energy, I don't care if they would exchange it for something, but I'm just helping through sending energies to those people, because I know what it's like to be in psychosis, and it's not easy to deal with when you are not strong mentally, or you are not in tune with your spirit. So yeah, that's it. This is my story.